Are you tired of your WordPress website loading slowly? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 4 WordPress speed optimization services available today. Let's get started. First up, we have WP Rocket. This plugin is an excellent choice for website owners who want to improve their website speed with minimal effort. WP Rocket works by caching your website's pages and files, which means they are stored on a user's computer, making them load faster the next time they visit your site. Our next option is 10 Web Booster, an all-in-one optimization tool that offers various features to boost your website's speed, performance, malware remove, and security. It offers a range of features, including image compression, caching, and other tools that can help to optimize your website for speed and performance. Our third option is Nitro Pack, which is a powerful optimization tool that can improve your website's speed by up to 10 times and can optimize Google Ads. Nitro Pack works by optimizing your website's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as compressing your images and other files. Finally, we have Flying Press. This speed optimization service is a newer addition to the market, but it has already gained a loyal following. Flying Press uses server-level optimization to improve website performance, which means that your website speed will improve without any impact on its functionality or design. So here is the top 4 WordPress speed optimization services. Check in the description to get more details. Whether you choose WP Rocket, 10 Web Booster, Nitro Pack, or Flying Press, you can be sure that your website will load faster and provide a better user experience for your visitors.